Hi children, good afternoon. Today I conducted objective test for 10 marks. How did you write children? I think you have done well because it is very easy to write, isn't it? In the previous class we were discussing about equality. Today, let us learn about how girls are coming forward to participate in all the activities. In olden days, people used to believe that girls could only play with dolls. Cricket, football, hockey, kabaddi were called games fit for boys. The people believed that girls could not run as fast as boys. With the time, people's mindset has also changed. Most parents, teachers, and schools encourage the girls to participate in sports. Some of the world's most famous sports persons are girls. They perform well and even better than boys. Some of the famous sports persons are here. For example, PV Sindhu, Mary Sikom, Deepa Karmakar, and Sakshi Malik. They have won medals for our country. Have you seen in this picture? PV Sindhu, Mary Sikom, Deepa Karmakar, and Sakshi Malik. These are the best sports persons in our country. For a long time, people believed that it was the duty of men to go out and work. They were called the breadwinners. They are called as the breadwinners of the family. Women used to stay at home and do household work such as cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, and so on. They were not allowed to go out and work. Over the years, there has been change in the way people think. Now, in most families, both husband and wife go out to work. Men and women also share the household work. Nowadays, men and women today work as partners and as equals. Many women work in Indian armed forces also. Not only Indian armed forces but also in different ways of companies they are working and dancing and in so many types of competitions they are participating. Now in this generation many girls started to study and educate themselves in many ways, not only in study but also in other activities. So, dear children, with this lesson, we understand about the equality. No differences between boy and girl or men and women, but everything and in all things, all are same. We are equal. Through this lesson, we learn that we all are equal in race, in color, in whatever it is. So, dear children, learn to be equal, not to think that others are different and we are same. But you should not show the difference between boy and girls or men and women in the society. With this, I conclude the lesson, children. The fifth lesson, we are equal. Thank you. Have a nice day. Go through with the textbook. Then you will understand more points about the fifth lesson.